Right, it's the morning of the Soapbox race. We are heading down, but last night, me and Shep got a bit handy with the spanners and changed the design, didn't we?
Yeah, the design was very, very good, but we kind of thought, looks a bit too easy. But Slater hasn't actually seen this, so he's on his way down here now. So when he gets here, we're going to surprise him, and we've got another little surprise for him to wear as well, which is going to be absolutely amazing. Yeah.
Morning, boys. You all ready for today?
Yeah, we are. We have a surprise for you.
Oh no.
So, the cardboard box is a bit boring.
I know, but it was finished.
We've uprated it, so come and have a look. See what you think. And we've got...
That looks mint. That looks ace. How on earth did you come up with that?
I did the back end, Shep did the front end. So,
that sounds like something I've heard before.
Oh wait, no wait. This is the added bit. It's even got your name on. So for safety reasons, you have to wear your safety helmet.
Push me faster.
I can't. Don't look at me. Oh my God, here we go. Hello, sir.
You guys are proper in the head.
Why?
Just funny.
Living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating.
So we've just got to Mallory Park. We are setting our stand up before the Soapbox race, and we're going to go and retrieve our Saab that we've left at Mallory Park since Shed Fest for months and months. So yeah, go and see what state it's in.
I need a break. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.
No. Well, Shep, get in there.
So which one was in it when he drove over it with smog? I reckon it's probably that one actually.
Yeah, no screw.
Yes!
Yeah.
We're definitely passing.
So what are we going to do? We're going to give Richard a curry and a couple of fire extinguishers. Oh,
IBS power!
These two are trying to make an effort.
I know, both times.
It was because he's got the biggest beanbag. Now, I remember that conversation going slightly different. The largest weight because it reacts better to gravity.
Oh look, he's got 2 more lines! Yes, it's narrower. No, it's not!
Hello and welcome to America's Next Top Model. My name's Sam, we're going to be the host for the duration of the video.
Soak them out! Soak them out.
3, 2, 1, go!
Boys, okay, the ramp is slowing down a little bit, but he has got some speed. He's heading onto the outside of the track and then pulling into the near side. He's going to go around the corner. He's almost there. Is he taking too long or yes? Is he taking forward? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that ramp is slowing some people down, ladies and gentlemen. He's going for the crowd. Oh, he's getting up to the other barriers. He is alive. Don't put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God! I actually thought he was joking. I thought he was going to say.
Spun out now, we're still going. It's still
What is it? What's it based on? Where did it start?
So this was actually based on a real car called an Axiom, which is a 600cc petrol car, like a little tiny 2-seater
Really?
car.
Diesel?
And diesel. So diesel.
Some bit of kit that is mine. Oh, who's screwing their death one? We've got another welded death.
Not only is this gentleman cheating, because he's gone twice now, he's trying to stump the system. Right, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, he's going down. Oh my God, the bottom part is where it's all going to go wrong. Somehow, he is surviving, and I don't actually know how. I believe he's actually doing okay.
Over to you, Josh. Well, I think he must have deleted himself.
This is not good. What push with these?
You might move out of the way.
Have we got the recording?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
Go!
Right, action sequences of it. The Spiders looking at it down and grabbing each other. George is on the left hand. Take over, Josh.
You better get that track cleared because it's going to escalate quickly. I keep saying that this weekend. We've got these nutters that are sellotape Lego to their feet up here now.
Mr. Sam Hard, we are sending soapboxes back up. Please do not send anything down.
Send everything down, don't worry about them coming up.
Down the hill.
Okay.
All at the same time.
Josh just smashed his contender in the head with the wheel. Okay, this is 5 very small normal go-karts. We've got father versus son in the opposite seats. They're ready. 3, 2, 1, go! So Chris and Lewis up on the outside. We've got the amazing guys all going down this. Josh is lost in the back. His brakes are gone. His Three, 2, 1, go! Okay, he's down the ramp. He is coming in hot to corner 1. These guys here are only here for the money, ladies and gentlemen. Is he going to hit a second? Incredible. And who's wanting to see a 1v1?
No, not yet, not these two.
Both drivers have said yes. Oh, Dave's worried. The official adjudicator in the middle here is a little bit skeptical. Let's get it escalate quickly. 3, 2, 1, go! Thousands and thousands of pounds worth of trusted and well-built SoapBox engines. Who's going to check it out? Who's going to run? Oh, he's got through. He hit the right. Oh, yeah. 3, 2, 1, go! Adam Seals in first So they're coming down the road. So they're coming down the road.
Took me tire off. Hold on.
Oh, that was mega.
One of us will get in.
Oh, no.
You're going to keep up with me this time?
Yeah.
Side by side.
Can't get it right up.
If I do it as we push off.
On the way back up.
Who's going next? Let's get you up the top ready. Yeah,
We've got full destruction derby going on here.
One, go!
Yeah, man.
You are down there.
So I've got Stu here from Motor Addicts, and he is actually going to be commandeering our cart and going down next. Are you going down as well?
I am, yeah.
You are, so there's going to be a Motor Addicts versus Motor Addicts going down on ours, and who's have you got?
Well, it's Mallory Garage versus Wiggly Auto Repairs.
Oh, you're on Wiggly?
Yeah.
Which has no brakes, so yeah, may the best man win.
Yeah, I wanted an open top because of the chicken nugget problem.
So
But if I'm going to throw up, I ain't going to be in it. Do you know what I mean?
3, 2, 1, go! Okay, this is not fair. I'm coming I'm scared. I'm taking him. I'm taking him. Oh. Oh. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024.
there we go. That is a wrap for Mark McCann's Soapbox race, and thank you for having us today.
No, thank you, and like you led by example by making your cart first, and it like turned out to be a brilliant day. It was ended up after you showed your hand. It ended up like being 45 carts, which was just amazing. So thank you.
Yeah, and we did have a wicked time, as in we realised ours wasn't the fastest, so we thought we'd bring on the Destruction Derby. So
Was that your idea?
that was our idea. We were like, come on, let's
Well
do
done.
2s, 3s, 4s down there. So yeah, that was us. But yeah, big thank you as well.
Yeah, big thank you to Jarvis Scrap Metals of Shrewsbury for supplying the Saab. We are actually taking it home, so Mallory Park doesn't have to have it around here anymore.
Yeah, and it will be coming back on a future episode as well. But for now, thank you, Mark, for having us. Amazing day, and thank you as well to Petrol Hedonism for hosting it as well. So yeah, that's it for this episode of the Anarchy Garage.
Karma! Serves him right, serves him right. Don't help him, don't help him. Right, everybody, look, this is Liam. That's karma for being noisy.